In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Tab S6 Lite to phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Samsung tablet and connect your phone to it. This can be done using an official tool developed by Samsung, known as Samsung Flow. So this is an app that should be available by default on any tablet and any Samsung smartphone. But if you don't find it, you can go over to the Play Store or the Samsung Store to download it. So all that you have to do is go over to your Samsung applications and look for Samsung Flow. This app will allow you to directly connect any Samsung devices together. So open the Samsung Flow app, choose Start at the bottom, and now you will be able to find your Samsung smartphone. If you don't see it here, make sure that either you are on the same Wi-Fi network, so for the tablet and the phone, as long as you are on the same network, they should appear here, or alternatively, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone and your tablet. As long as you have one of these two options enabled, you will be able to get them connected. So your phone is going to appear on the list and you can tap on it. Now you will have to choose the connection type, either Wi-Fi or LAN or Bluetooth. Either of these will work. A number will appear on your tablet's screen and you have to confirm this number sequence on your phone. If they match, choose OK on both devices. And now Samsung Flow setup will be complete. With this done, you can now use Samsung Flow to share content between both devices. You can even include a message and you can see more options over here. There are other applications designed by Samsung that allow you to connect both devices, such as SmartThings or SmartView, but this one is going to be the primary option that gives you access to most features, including one to transfer files between both devices with ease. So all that you have to do is look for Samsung Flow or either of the other two options that I mentioned. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung Tab S6 Lite to phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.